Hi, I'm Keith Cotter and welcome to the HSB Academy tutorial session. In this session we're going to learn how to install the HSB stick frame on Autodesk Revit. To do this you should be supplied already with a username and password via an email from our team in hsbCAD. If you haven't received this yet, you need to get that first of all. Then what you do is you proceed to our hsbCAD website, hsbcad.com. And on the far right you have a section called My hsbCAD and you select this. This will essentially allow you to log in with a password, with a login and password, and essentially bring you into My hsbCAD. On the bottom right here you have download, which you select, and on the bottom right of this downloads page you have hsbStickFrame, which you basically download onto your PC. A particular file that we're going to now install. With this file downloaded on your PC, what you then do is you double click on this file and this begins to download the files required for the installation locally onto your machines. These are only temporary files and they will be removed after the installation. Next, it will then begin to install the product onto your machine, and finally it will be complete, which you pick OK, and then you select the icon on your desktop to start up your Revit. And this will eventually start Revit on your machine, knowing that there's support for 2020, 21 and 22. This is currently the login screen where you then fill in your email and password that was given from My hsbCAD, and you submit that, and that will automatically start up your Revit 2022 with hsbStickFrame now installed on your PC. I'm Keith Carter. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the coming future sessions.